Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I show you how you print this view with a predefined scale of 75. So currently we are in a model space, and here beside the model space we have the layout view, and here we can define the layout. Here if you see, we can set up the page, so we can right click on this and we can click on page setup manager, and here we have elevation view 2. We can modify this to be A3 or A4, so depending on what you print. Usually we define this to be A3, and I recommend to you to have a scale of 1/1, which means 1 millimeter equals to 1 unit here, because later we can define the scale when we are just laying those views and the layout. So the drawing orientation is landscape, and the quality is maximum if you want to print with a maximum quality. And here we print this to be PDF, but you can have direct connection with a printer and print those directly. You can also print the view to be in pictures, JPG files. So we recommend you to print first in PDFs and check the drawings before you print them in paper. So once you define the page, you can preview, and here you can see the view. You can close again and click on OK if it is okay for printing. You can create a new layout view, but yeah, we can have different views on this list. We can also import, and we can modify. So we close this view, and here we want to copy the view and rename it to be a plan view. So currently it is elevation view. We click on move or copy, and here we create a copy of the elevation view. So we click on OK, and here we have a copy of the file. So we can change this to be plan view. And once we define the view name, we can double click inside this port view. We call this port view, this rectangular red box. It defines the boundaries of the print area. So currently it is a side view, but we double click inside to scroll and search for our plan view. So this is the plan view that we want to print. As you see here, we have the scale of the viewport 0.015567, but we can change this to be, for example, 1/100, and it basically prints the view in 1/100 scales. It looks like it is a bit small, so we want to have maybe 1/75, and therefore we can click on this scale and create a custom scale. So here we can add a new scale of 1/75, for example, and it means that the paper unit, one paper unit equals to 75 drawing units. Okay, we click on OK and click again on OK. So currently we have a 1/100 scale. We can define this to be 1/75, and that's it. So the scale of this view is 1/75, means that each unit of this paper is equal to 75 units of a drawing. You can change, you can bring changes to this port view, this layout view, like adding columns of, can add descriptions of this plan view, the scale, the order of this drawing, or you can edit, you can import a custom version of the port view or the layout view if you want to create in a set of standard layout view. If you enjoyed watching and learn this video, please share this with your friends and also subscribe to this channel. See you again and best wishes for you. Thank you.